Let's understand operators in Python. So an operator is a symbol that tells the interpreter to perform a specific operation. Operators are used to manipulate data and perform various computations. Python provides different types of operators for different kinds of operations. The most commonly used operators are arithmetic operators, assignment operators, comparison operators, logical operators, identity operators. Then we have membership operators, then bitwise operators. If you scroll down here, you can see the arithmetic operators, then the assignment operators, then all the other operators. In this video, let's explore arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators are used for basic mathematical operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Let's explore them one by one. First, we have addition, which is used to add two numbers. For example, we have a variable x which holds the value 10. Let's say we have another variable called y which holds the value 3. Now, if I write the print function and if I write x plus y and then run the code, you can see it prints 13. So it is the addition operator, which is this plus sign. Then in arithmetic operator, we have another operator, which is the subtraction operator. If I write the print statement again, and if I write x minus y and run the code, you can see it prints 7. Then we have the multiplication operator. So if I write x star y, it will do multiplication. If I run the code, you can see it prints 30. Then if I write the print statement again, and if I write x slash y, this will do division. So run the code, you can see it prints 3.333. But if you want that it should not show the digits after the point, then you can do floor division. So let's see how to do that. So if I write the print function again and write x slash slash y, this means floor division. So if I run the code, you can see it only prints 3 and does not print the digit after the point. Then we have the modulus operator. So if I write x percentage or mod in programming term, then y, and if I run the code, it prints 1. So 10 modulus 3, the mod is 1 because 9 divided by 3 outputs 3 and 10 divides 3, the division result is 3 and the modulus is 1, so the remainder. Then we have the exponentiation operator. So I'm gonna write the print statement again and I'm gonna write x double star y. This means exponentiation. Let's see what it does. So let's run the code. You can see it prints 1000. So exponentiation means 10 raised to the power of 3. So x is 10, as you can see here, raised to the power of 3, which is y. So the meaning here is 10 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10. That's the meaning of raised to the power of. So in arithmetic operator, we have plus, minus, then multiplication, then division, then floor division, then modulus, then exponentiation. Now let's see the importance of arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators are fundamental in Python programming. They are widely used in calculations, data processing, machine learning, and game development. Understanding them will help you perform various numerical operations with ease. For example, you have an online store where some products are listed. One product has the price $22 and user buys that products with the quantity 3. So you have to show the total cost of his buyings. So the total would be item price multiplied by quantity. Now if you print total, then run the code, you can see it prints 66. So the user needs to pay $66. In this example, we used the multiplication operator to calculate the total price of items in a store, which are bought by the user. Similarly, you can use arithmetic operators in many real-world scenarios. As we understood arithmetic operators, now let's explore operator precedence. So operator precedence. So when multiple operators appear in an expression, Python follows a specific order to evaluate them. This is called operator precedence. Operators with higher precedence are executed first, and operators with lower precedence are executed later. Here is a precedence order from highest to lowest. So first we have parentheses. So if in our expression parenthesis is available, then Python will execute the parenthesis part at the first place. Then in the second place we got the exponentiation operator. Then in the third place we have the multiplication operator, the division operator, the floor division operator, and the modulus operator. So all the four of them has same level of precedence. If they are in the same level, they will be executed at the same time. Then lastly, we have the addition plus operator and the subtraction or the minus operator. They both have same priority in the precedence order. So what do I mean by that? Let's see an example to understand this better. For example, we have a variable called result where we have 10 plus 5 multiplied by 2. So what do you think? What would be the output? Exactly, the output would be 20. So if I write the print statement and pass result, it will print 20. So what is going on here? If I do like this, like 10 plus 5, 15, then into 2, it should make the result 30. But actually the value would be 20, because as you can see we have multiple arithmetic operators in this expression. So here is the multiplication operator and the addition operator. So if you look closely in the operator precedence order, you can see this multiplication operator is in the third place, means it has higher priority than this addition operator, which is in the fourth place. So what it will do is it will first make 5 multiplied by 2 to 10, then it will do 10 plus 10, which will result 20. So if I run the code, you can see exactly the result is 20. However, if we use parentheses to change the order, we get a different result. If we put opening parenthesis before 10 and closing parenthesis after 5, now what will happen is it will do the addition calculation first, as these are inside the parentheses. You can see in the precedence order table or the list, parentheses in the first place. So first it will make this 15, then 15 multiplied by 2, it will be 30. So now if I run the code, you can see it prints 30. So here is a tip: when in doubt, use parentheses to make your expressions clearer and control the order of operations. So that's all for now. See you in the next one.